I bought a Tesla! No, I didn't. Was that funny? No, it's not funny. I really want it to be funny. Alright, welcome to the third update video. It's been, as of today, like a month and a couple of days. Who knows when this video actually comes out. So probably like a month and a week or two. But let's talk about things. First order of business is thank you. Gracias. Arigato. Merci. Danke. Tak.
What do you want?
Hey Peter, how do you say thank you in Thai?
I don't know.
Are you kidding me? You're like the most Thai person I know.
I think it's interchangeable with cup and cup.
Say it again?
Cup and cup. Yeah.
Cup win cup. How was that? Bye.
What? Is that really it?
Yeah.
I hate you.
I hate you too. If I butchered any of those, I'm sorry. I think the only appropriate way to make up for that and thanking you guys in general is finally the long-awaited reveal of Cameraman John. Give me that. Okay. Now, the only problem is it turns out this whole time you have been Cameraman John. Second order of business, you might be wondering, where do I live? Well, I've been living in a hotel the past couple of weeks, but
It's not so bad. What do you think, Barkley?
then where am I at right now? Well, that is Cameraman John's house. He still has one. He regularly kicks me out at about 8 p.m. How much time do I have left? You can't do this to me! I'm homeless! What is the plan? Well, I'm gonna move back in with my parents and live in a motorhome. The long-term plan is to get a new place, but that's not something I think is gonna happen very quickly, and I don't wanna, it'll happen. I've been trying to convince my caretaker and cameraman John to, well, he's not my caretaker, it's a separate person, to move to Ohio next to Peter's 3-pole, but they both seem to be adamantly against that. I don't know if it's because of Ohio or Peter's 3-pole. Sorry, Peter. Let's talk about future plans while opening boxes. Throw me a pair of scissors, homeboy. Alright. What are our future plans? We've got, at this point, one video that was filmed half in the house and half outside the house. We've been using the local makerspace, Make Ventura. They have a laser, but it needs a new laser tube. So if anybody happens to have a laser tube sitting around that they're not using. Is that a common thing? There are plans on building, this thing sucks, a new laser cutter. Not until we get a new place, though. There's a chance we can build a tinier one. Who's this from? Matt Turner. Life Labs Moon Wax. It's some screws and a piece of Velcro. This is a giant quad. How are we gonna use this to get arrested? You got any good ideas, cameraman? Thank you, Matt. I'll see you in jail. Future videos. We have a video that was filmed halfway. You know what? I'm just gonna use the knife that's been sitting here this whole time. We have a video that was filmed, one video filmed in the YouTube space that I don't think we're gonna use. Maybe, there's potential. It's another slow motion thing. Maybe I'll put a little snippet right now. I'm not good at multitasking. How about in between boxing, we talk about it? This is from Benji. Oh my God. What is this? Pop vinyl figure. This is awesome. This is gonna get mounted to the hood of my car. Thank you, Benji. Philip made the Laser Time music and other music. You should go check him out on his YouTube channel where he does YouTube stuff. Unboxing videos have to be unnecessarily violent, and you have to basically cut the box open like you're gonna stab everything on the inside. It's a lot of shirts, and I think we've decided we're not gonna show the shirts right now. I'd rather keep them for the videos. Is that a good idea? What? The next video to come out will be a video that was filmed halfway before the fire and halfway after the fire. Is this? Holy crap, Matt. It's the whole kit and caboodle. Long story short, we're making videos, and we got some collaborations set up, and more collaborations to set up that should be coming out relatively soon. Loot crate. Oh, I think I've seen this on Instagram. This is from Steve Torini. This is glorious. Let me figure this out before I show you. And then you pull it up, and it says, "It's laser time!" Oh, it's got wall hangers. And they're made out of Monster can tabs. I like how he expects I'm going to hang this on my wall. I mean, I absolutely am going to hang this on the wall, but just the fact that you expected it is awesome. I don't know if this is an entire loot crate or if death race. I think it looks like loot crate stuff, but then also some random things that he found around the house. Thank you, Steve. Hello there, just going out for some daily exercise. If you didn't see your package get opened, I'm sorry. I opened some of them off camera because I have no patience, but we'll post some pictures. If you didn't like this update video, give us a big fat thumbs up and a subscribe. If you did like this video, I don't know. Yep, and we'll hopefully have regular-ish videos coming in hot next week. So, see you then.